बाबू कवळेकराचेर कारवाय हो एक राजकीय हेतू आसा. आपल्या आमदारांक टार्गेट करून सतोवप चल्लां हें खरें, अशें काँग्रेसीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक उलयलो. एक एक करून आमच्या पार्टीच्या आमदारांक सतोवप चल्लां. काँग्रेस सोडून आपले पार्टीत प्रवेश करून घेवपाचें हें कारस्थान चलयलां, मात तें केन्नाच फळदायीक जावचें ना म्हूण तो फुडें उलयला.
If you are asking me that some revenge is being taken on our MLAs, I will agree. And I have told so. Very next day, the movement started, I said so. This is a political motivated action.
So how is the Congress trying to protect the interests of your?
No, question is, no, first of all, law will take its own course. Whether it is Public Gambling Act or Prevention of Corruption Act, things are going on in the court. I have no right to comment. But it is very clear that one by one, our MLAs are being targeted. And if I, one by one,
Or what?
the names I have read, and which you have read also.
So is it that there is a fear created among your MLAs so that they could join them with such type of fear?
No, maybe this is a pressure tactic which the government wants to have on our MLAs so that they join their party. But this is not going to happen.
आणि ते एमएलए रडाराचे आसा
ते रडारचे कितलेशे असतात ते तुम्ही जाणार, आम्ही नको.
Have you talked to MLAs who are being targeted, who you claim are being targeted?
That is between us.
Not talk.
If necessary, I will disclose this, but today it is not necessary.
You still feel your party opposition leader Mr. Kavlekar is clean? He has nothing done anything wrong. Like in crime branch, Mr. Kavlekar said, I have not done anything wrong.
So what I have to say, I said the other day. I said this is politically motivated. Why they have taken 7 years to investigate the case? If the issue is the land at Kerala, which Mr. Kavlekar has allegedly purchased, how much time it takes to measure that land and to value that land? 7 years? Why raid now? And why raid 4 times? 5 times now it is.
What about that issue of where matka sweeps and all have been found?
First of all, let anybody who is taking matka, let it go as per the law. At the same time, why raids are not there on those leaders of BJP who are known to be matka bookies? Why no raids?
What is the leader?
The people are aware. One of the bookies was campaigning for Mr. Parrikar during the last by-election. This is sufficient for you.
If police questions you on this, are you ready to tell them the names?
What is that?
On this, one of the bookie and whoever
No,
it is.
whatever I want to say, I have
Questions
said.
you.
To the extent I have said. Whatever I want to say, I have said.
No, if police ask you the same questions, are you ready to give
Why
them?
police will come and ask me?
They will request you, sir.
No, I will see when they request me.